The lawsuit against Birds Eye Foods in Darien, filed by a former employee named Rigoberto Ruiz, alleges the frozen food packaging plant's owner, Conagra, did not enforce any policy to ensure that employees wore masks in the plant, and that many employees failed to wear masks in the plant within the view of supervisors who failed to take corrective action. The lawsuit says Conagra's negligence led to the pain and suffering and ultimate death of Ruiz's wife, Martha Amador de Ruiz. I received a tragic update from Ruiz's family. They say not only did Ruiz contract coronavirus here at Birds Eye Foods behind me, pass it on to his wife who later died from COVID, but Ruiz also now cannot speak, is completely disabled, and is on a feeding tube because of his interaction with COVID, and his mother-in-law is now his power of attorney. Back in May, the National Guard helped test about 800 Birds Eye workers after at least 100 of them tested positive. Conagra Foods, which wants the lawsuit moved to federal court, claims it remained open because the plant was deemed essential infrastructure and that it's protected through the Federal PrEP Act, which gives companies immunity in lawsuits in some circumstances during an emergency. However, experts I talked to say there have been at least 46 similar lawsuits around the country where companies have claimed the same immunity, and nearly every one of those have been thrown out by judges who have said it does not apply.
There's no indication that the PrEP Act was designed to protect companies like Conagra, who just failed to protect their workers from basic safety measures.
He says the vast majority of employees in these plants are immigrant workers.
Unfortunately, we've seen tens of thousands of cases of COVID-19 arising out of food processing plants and hundreds of people dying who worked in food processing plants.
In Darien, Caroline Reinwald, WISN 12 News.
Conagra Foods, which owns the Birds Eye plant in Darien, sent a statement to 12 News saying they won't comment on pending litigation, but that the company has implemented a number of preventative measures at all their facilities, including Birds Eye. They say the measures include enforcing social distancing and masks in the workplace.